Hey guys, today we got a cab high fiberglass ranch Echo series. Fits the 15 to 20 Ford F-150 with a 5.5 foot bed. Silver in color. This is in pretty decent shape. Really doesn't have much issues going on this one here at all. On the top edge looks good. No major damage. All the way through here, I don't see any damage actually. Down through here looks good. Bottom edge looks good, no damage on the bottom edge. And this one was on the guy's truck and we took it right off of the truck, so it's not been set on the ground. Has a little bit of a chip right there, probably from loading stuff in and out of the back. Half side sliders on the side. Picture window in the front. It's a little bit of oh, that's just rubbing compound, looks like. Paint looks good through there. Looks good all the way through here. Bottom edge looks good. The side looks good, no damage on this side at all. No paint damage. Really a good looking cap. Bottom edge looks good, no damage on the bottom edge. Half side sliders on the side. Double T-handle, locking rear door. Okay, and now for the bad. It looks good all the way through here. Get up here, we have a crack right there. The guy said it had it, said it's never bothered him, was on that way when he got it. But it's there. That's the only thing I found wrong on this cap, is that crack. And of course, then this little tiny chip down here. Inside looks, this bare fiberglass looks really good. I mean, it's looks damn near brand new inside here. Screens are in good shape. Not seeing any holes or any snags in the screen on that side. On this side, we've got a couple on this side there, right there, there. And right there. So we got some snags on the screens on this side, but the other side looks really good. Sliding window. Serial number. It's Echo series. Built for the 15 Ford F-150 5'6" bed. UX silver is the color on that. So there it is. Got a cab high fiberglass ranch Echo series. Fits the 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150 with a 5.5 foot bed. UX silver in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits. Those are all available for purchase as well on our site, so you can just click that link, go to our website, type in the search bar what you're looking for, and we'll get it sent out to you right away. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain cap, style, brand, color, height, what have you, we upload our used inventory to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in. So you'll want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on inventory as it gets here. Azethol or truck caps. They're local pickup only. Do not ship these. Need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.